welcome to the battle. Sa labanan po for 7th place, one game to decide that between Standard Insurance at Amy Spikers. Basically, itong kupunan ng Amy Spikers, maganda sana panimula nila. They kept it close, but then Standard Insurance rattled off, 8 straight points twice in the first set.
Well, it was because number one, I think napagana nila si Pao Soriano. Eguia, Divine Eguia, ang dami ding pinuntos at madami din siya napalusot sa mga block nitong Amy. And at the same time, medyo nawala din yung depensa nitong Amy towards the latter part of that first set.
And the Amy's maganda sana panimula rito sa ating laban na Standard Insurance scoring a few points here and there. Pero Joey Albert Versosa getting it done. Then suddenly in the middle of the set, humarurot na naman ang Standard Insurance.
Oo, ay kasi nga yun, again, madami na pupuntos para sa kanila back in the first set. Lalo na yung umpisa ng first set, it was all Pao Soriano. Pero na-distribute na yung bola. You had Eguia, you had Martinez contributing also sa atake. Mas nanguna sila blocks. Surprisingly nga, napunta sa Amy's. But look at that unforced error. Sobrang dami. Triple actually nung numbers na na-commit nitong Standard Insurance.
At umaabot na po tayo sa 4th set. What a comeback here for Amy Spikers ng ating 3rd set, Denise.
Oo, dahil yun nga, binago na nila yung setup nila. It's now a 4-2 kind of play for them and it's working very well. Si Ratertal tumulong ng sobra sa kanilang opensa. Of course, Colleen Bravo with her offense and defense. Yung block niya kanina, naging malaking factor din. Of course, Joey Versosa, given na yan. Isa sa mga pinupuntahan talaga ng Amy's. And you can see attacks and blocks, parehas lang. Pero yung service aces, ang dami. 5 puntos yung nakuha ng Amy's.
Well, Standard Insurance closes it out in 7th place. Let's take a look at highlights of the match, especially dito sa ating 4th set, kung saan na mayagpag na talaga itong kupunan ng Standard Insurance. Divine Eguia, Hesime Acuña, Carissa Martinez, biglang yung supporting cast bumulusok na.
And not just that, I mean, yung atake nila, they were able to variate it. Mas maganda na rin yung distribution nito ni Serafica. Depensa nila, gumana rin.
So the final score after a tightly contested 3rd set, 4th set naman makukuha nito Standard Insurance 25-9, and they take this match 3-1, and with it, 7th place din dito sa ating PSL All-Filipino Conference.